Editing Humanity, The Ethics of CRISPR Gene. Imagine a world where diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and inherited blindness could be prevented before a child is even born. Imagine parents no longer worrying about passing dangerous genetic disorders to their children. Because of advances in biotechnology, this future may soon become possible. One of the most powerful scientific discoveries in modern medicine is CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR is a technology that allows scientists to edit DNA with incredible precision. In simple terms, it acts like molecular scissors that can cut and replace damaged genes inside living cells. Scientists believe that CRISPR has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. It may help cure genetic diseases, improve treatments, and reduce human suffering for future generations. However, despite these possible benefits, CRISPR also raises serious ethical and social concerns. In this video, we will explore the ethical issues surrounding CRISPR gene editing in embryos. We will examine different stakeholder perspectives, apply ethical frameworks, and discuss whether society should allow this powerful technology.
CRISPR has the potential to eliminate genetic diseases before birth. It could reduce suffering and improve quality of life for future generations. Preventing diseases is better than treating them later. By fixing the DNA at the very beginning, we can make sure a child never has to suffer through painful hospital visits or dangerous surgeries. This technology could completely wipe out some of the most destructive conditions from human history forever. From the perspective of a parent with a genetic disease history, if I had the chance to prevent my child from inheriting a painful disease, I would consider it. Every parent wants their child to live a healthy life. It would be heartbreaking to watch your own child struggle with a sickness that you pass down to them. If a safe tool exists to protect my family from that pain, I think it is my responsibility to use it. From an ethicist or religious leader perspective, human embryos should not be treated like experiments. Editing genes could lead society toward designer babies and discrimination against people considered as genetically imperfect. We must remember that human life has absolute value exactly as it is, not just when it is free from flaws. Once we start changing human biology, we risk losing our respect for natural human diversity. From the perspective of the government/society, if this technology becomes expensive, only wealthy families may benefit. This could increase inequality and create unfair advantages in society. We could end up with a world where rich people are healthier and live longer simply because they can buy genetic upgrades. This would create a dangerous gap between different groups of people that might be impossible to fix.
Ethical Framework 2, Rights-Based Ethics. Rights ethics focuses on protecting human rights and individual dignity. It teaches us that every single person has basic rights that should never be taken away, no matter what. Under this rule, we cannot treat a human being simply as a tool to achieve a goal. Ethical Framework 3, Justice and Fairness. Justice ethics focuses on equality and fair access. It asks whether the benefits and burdens of a new technology are shared equally among all members of a community. The main goal is to make sure that most vulnerable people in society are not left behind or mistreated. This analysis, embryos cannot consent to genetic modification. Future children may live with permanent consequences of decisions made before birth. People may also have the right to natural genetic identity. Rights-based ethics raises concerns about consent and human dignity. Because an embryo cannot speak or sign a form, parents are making permanent choices about someone else's body without their permission. This violates the fundamental right to choose what happens to your own genetic makeup. For the analysis, CRISPR could prevent suffering caused by genetic disease. Millions of future children may live healthier lives. However, mistakes in editing DNA could have created harmful side effects. From a utilitarian perspective, CRISPR may be ethical if it produces more benefits than harm. For instance, if the technology successfully cures thousands of rare conditions, the total amount of human happiness would increase massively. But if the treatment accidentally creates new, unknown health problems, it could cause more widespread misery than good. Wealthy families may gain access first. Society could become divided between genetically enhanced and non-enhanced people. This may increase discrimination and inequality. Ethical analysis. Ethical framework 1. Utilitarianism. Utilitarianism focuses on achieving the greatest good for the greatest number of people. This means that an action is considered right if it brings happiness and safety to the majority of society. When making a choice, we must weigh all the positive results against the negative results to see which one wins.
Conclusion. Our group believes that CRISPR gene editing should only be allowed for preventing serious disease and not for cosmetic or enhancement purposes. This technology has the potential to reduce suffering and improve human health. However, strong laws and ethical guidelines are necessary to prevent abuse, inequality, and unsafe experimentation. Acknowledging trade-offs. Although CRISPR offers medical benefits, it also risks creating social inequality and ethical problems regarding consent and human identity. Society must balance innovation with responsibility. Final closing line. The future of engineering is powerful, but with great scientific power comes ethical responsibility.